Welcome back. The switch statement. The switch statement provides a great approach for adding logic to your program. It creates cases during the evaluation process of a value. And the project actually that we're going to examine from the source code is found under the conditions folder, and it's called the switch statement project. Let's take a look, please. There we go, it's right here. Okay, let's go back. We set the exercise blank project we can use to explain things. Okay, and what do I have right here? Oh boy, okay, I do have an interesting program for using actually switch statements. And what we have right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to specify this project as a startup. And let's just see what gets executed and how it looks like. All right, that's sort of like a finished console program, right? And so we're printing out the stars, and then we have some type of a menu. Choose an option from the menu. Upon typing in 1, we're actually mimicking that the file will open, and upon actually entering 2, we're going to save the file. But what happens really right here in the program? So I'm just going to actually exit out from the blank project because we are not going to need it at this point to explain the switch statement. So we declare an integer variable choose, right? And then we assigned a console read line to that variable. And then this variable choose we are passing to the switch as a parameter. And then we open up the parentheses, right? And then we say case 1. So if the user enters 1, then do opening file, and at the end of the file break the cycle. If it's 2, then save the file and then break the cycle. If it's 3, wrong choice. So let's see how that works. Let's bring up the terminal and let's make a choice 1. So basically we are opening the file this way. If we do this again, and let's say we choose 3, wrong choice. So we just jump right at the default break. So can we do another exercise maybe to see if we can understand this? Let's, for that purpose, bring the simple blank exercise project. So what did we say? What a switch statement is? Switch is used with the keyword switch. Open up brackets, the parentheses, right? And then we have some kind of a condition here. Actually, we're passing a parameter here. Parameter, which could be of a data, some kind of a type, right? Parameter, I'm sorry. Okay. Oops. Parameter. And then we say case something happens, do this. Case something happens, do that. Now, we set a parameter of any type. So let's do this time string name, for example, right? Okay. And then let's say name equals to salary. I'm just making up things right here. Let's be name actually. Let's call this type. No, we can't call it type. Type name. All right. So let's do this type name type. Oops. No. Case, and then we say like that, case type name, case what, oops, case type name is, for example, salary, right? Do something, console, oops, I forgot the 2 dots, console.writeLine, then we say hello world. Okay, and then the default is, okay, wrong output, for example. Okay, output. Then I'm missing the break clause right here. Don't forget that. That's very important after this validation. And then that's it. Okay. All right. So if I come back right here, all right, this is already my starter project. Now, since the variable type name has already assigned a value of salary, this is what we evaluate, right? We're passing this parameter right here as a parameter right here to the switch statement, and we say case salary. Obviously, the result is hello world. Okay, so it's very simple to really use a switch statement. Okay.